Hey there, great question, and let me tell you, this was one of the first challenges I faced when I started woodworking. Sometimes you want that clean, classic look without visible nails or screws, and thankfully, there are quite a few ways to get the job done without them. One of my favorite techniques is using dowels. Dowels are small wooden rods that fit into holes drilled in both pieces of wood, acting like a hidden spine holding everything together. I remember working on a small coffee table once and realizing how much I didn't want any visible hardware on it. I went with dowels, and the finish looked so clean and seamless. Plus, it was super sturdy. Another method I love is wood glue combined with some simple joinery techniques. Ever heard of a mortise and tenon joint? It's a classic for a reason. In simple terms, it's where you cut a slot, the mortise, in one piece of wood and a tongue, the tenon, in the other. Fit them together with a dab of wood glue, and you've got yourself a solid bond. I once built a bookshelf using only mortise and tenon joints and a little glue, and it's still holding up strong to this day. There's something satisfying about using just wood and glue to make something so strong. Give these techniques a shot, and you'll see how fun it is to create that smooth, uninterrupted wood finish. Good luck.